How to be a successful content creator while maintaining a full-time job in 2025. Revealed.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to our guide on how to be a successful content creator while maintaining a full-time job in 2025. We're about to drop some serious knowledge bombs, so get ready to take notes. You're hustling at your day job, but you're also burning with passion to share your creativity with the world. You're dreaming of building a community, making an impact, and maybe even quitting your job one day. In this video, we'll share 10 essential strategies to help you balance your passion for content creation with your day job. Let's do this. First things first, you got to have a vision. What do you want to achieve with your content? Write it down. Now here's the secret sauce. Use the SMART goal framework. Make your goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Listen up, time is your most valuable asset. You might think you're too busy with your job, but trust me, there are hidden pockets of time just waiting to be unlocked. Think about it, your commute, your lunch break, even those precious minutes before bed. Use those times to brainstorm content ideas, film videos, or engage with your audience. We're living in the future, people. AI tools are like having a team of robots working for you 24/7. Use ChatGPT to generate killer content ideas, Canva Pro to design stunning graphics, and Descript to edit your videos like a pro. These tools will free up your time so you can focus on what really matters, creating awesome content. Imagine this. You dedicate just 1 or 2 days a week to content creation. You put on your creative hat, crank up the music, and churn out a whole week's worth of videos, posts, and articles. Pro tip: create a content calendar to organize your ideas and schedule your posts. Don't let your hard work go to waste. That epic blog post you wrote, turn it into a series of social media posts, a short video, or even an infographic. You'll reach a wider audience and maximize your content's impact without starting from scratch. You don't have to do it all alone. There are tons of talented freelancers and virtual assistants who can help you with tasks like editing, graphic design, and social media management. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork make it super easy and affordable to find the perfect support. Delegate those tasks that drain your energy and free up your time to focus on your creative genius. Listen, nobody wants to see a million mediocre pieces of content. Instead, focus on delivering value-packed, engaging content that leaves your audience wanting more. It's better to publish fewer pieces of high-quality content each week than to overwhelm your followers with subpar stuff. Remember, you're building a brand here, so make it count. Here's the thing about content creation, and it's not a one-way street. You've got to engage with your audience. Respond to comments, join discussions, and show your followers that you're listening. People will stick around, share your work, and become loyal fans. Hold up, we got to talk about self-care. It's easy to get caught up in the hustle, but remember to prioritize your well-being. Set boundaries, take breaks, and recharge those batteries. You'll be amazed at how much more productive you are when you take care of yourself. Knowledge is power, my friends. Use analytics tools to track your content's performance. See what's resonating with your audience, what's falling flat, and adjust your strategy accordingly. The more you learn about your audience, the better you'll be able to create content they'll love. Thanks for watching. Remember, consistency and authenticity are your greatest assets. Keep creating, learning, and growing. The world needs your unique voice and perspective. Now go out there and make some awesome content.